All right, so 2 down, 1 to go. So those 2 are done on the market. I started putzing around with the 3rd lot, and if you remember back originally when I said what are we doing, this hole right here, we dug this out. We did break some of the rock, but I couldn't break it. I couldn't get it. It just got so hard I couldn't do anything with it. So I abandoned the idea of the house being here, and we pushed the house forward. All right, so only stipulation is I gotta be 20 feet off the septic system. So I kind of have it laid out. I mean, it's hard to imagine what I'm doing, but in the meantime, I kind of start digging where the main house is just to see how much rock I gotta deal with. Looks to me I only got this little bit that I need to break, and that actually I chipped quite a bit with just with the machine. So we'll see with the hammer. And then back there, I gotta see, once we have the machine with the hammer here, we'll see how hard it is to break that. If you see the orange mark over there, that's the corner of the house, and about a foot past that, that's the corner. So if we can break all that, fine. If not, we'll create the ledge in the basement, because basically what I want, the foundation, whatever that flat portion is, it's gonna go about 4 feet above. So that's gonna be a window over there, like I have on the other house, egress window for the basement, and then we'll just slope up the front. I mean, either way, this place came a long way from my first videos. If you go back and watch it, I mean, we have a road. This actually is pretty solid. It's a little bumpy, but I'm not even gonna mess with the actual driveway till we have a foundation done. I got a heavy truck. I'll have a heavy truck out of here with the cement and all that. Once I have that done, I'm gonna bring something and create the road over here. I'll give you a front look. I didn't build this one. I did some work in there, but I didn't build that. I sold a lot to my electrician, and my house all done. You know, I got a bunch of videos on it, so I'm not gonna bother you with that. I just want to show you how far we came from nothing. Bunch of rocks and trees. That's all that was here. I mean, yeah, this endeavor we've been here for just about a year. Well, actually, next month it's gonna be a year, because we didn't get a environmental permit till end of October. So our houses itself, we didn't put the foundations until February. But we got a nice road in, compacted with the roller. You can watch my short video. I mean, that works really nice. This is really as close as you can get to the real asphalt. Should have done this in the summer when it was hot. This thing would actually kind of melt together, but it is what it is. That's done. I have my final inspection on my house, and I just submitted the last piece of paperwork they needed, so I should be getting my COO. And he needs to go in front of a zoning board because he didn't check the foundation, and he's too close to a property line. He should be 25 feet. His deck is only 17. Not big of a deal, since I know the guy that owns that lot, so he's not giving him problem. So it's just a matter of more waiting, and hopefully the grass will come up before it really gets cold. We have a nice week. I got a little bit of it came out in the back. I don't really see nothing in the front, but we're supposed to get more rain. That should help. And I'm really happy with this. I'll be even happier once it's sold. I'm a little nervous because there's not as big of interest as I expected, but then also it's a little higher price range. I mean, essentially this is the most expensive house I ever built. On part of it is because of the material cost and everything, but at $699 this is the most expensive house I ever did. The second one that I did last year was $625. So wish me luck. See you next one.